Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the CTEK MXS 10 to see if it truly lives up to the hype. About the product, the MXS 10 is a fully automatic 8-step charger that delivers 10 amperes to 12-volt batteries from 20 to 200 ampere hours, and is also suitable for maintenance charging up to 300 ampere hours. It includes battery diagnosis to establish whether your battery can receive and retain a charge, a recon mode for restoring and reconditioning stratified and deeply discharged batteries, a winter program for charging in cold weather, and an AGM option which maximizes the performance life of most stop or start batteries. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CTEK MXS 10, battery clamps, user manual, product description, fully charged, ready to use, error lamp, mode button, power lamp, temperature sensor indicator, normal battery program, a GM battery program, recon program, supply program. How to use. First, connect the red clamp to your battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Then connect the charger to the power outlet. When the charger is on, the green power LED lights up. The battery starts charging. When the battery is charged, just disconnect the clamp and start your car, and away you go. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.